Vehicle.
Muhammad is
Assalamu alaikum, Bulavinaka, ladies and gentlemen. I won't be long, as we know that we've had a very exciting afternoon of football this evening. As mentioned at the banquet on Tuesday, FANCA actually is all about Fiji. Fiji is what binds everybody that's attended this tournament, whether you're from Canada, whether you're from USA, Australia or New Zealand. And it is wonderful to see so many people here. I don't think the Prince Charles Park has been filled up with this many people for a very long time. So thank you to everybody that's attended from all the overseas countries, from Canada, USA, Australia, New Zealand. Thank you very much for your patronage. Thank you to the football players, their families and friends who have accompanied them. You've also added to the Fijian economy, which is what is critically important for us too. As I was watching the football and of course, watching the emotions on the pitch, it reminded me of a saying of one of the fourth of the rightly guided caliphs, the Rashidun, Hazrat Ali, and he said there are two types of people. They're either your brothers or sisters in faith, or they are your equals in humanity. So essentially, what that means is that our article of faith says that we must treat all human beings alike. As we've seen the FANCA team from New Zealand, from Australia, compete with each other, emotions get high, irrespective of their faith. But what must ultimately prevail is our sense of humanity, of our sense of feeling compassion, of our sense of having the friendship, of ensuring that we look after each other, because ultimately that's what defines us as human beings. And that's what must always prevail. And indeed, that's one of the fundamental teachings of Islam, as this, of course, has been driven by the former Muslims who left Fiji. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your participation. I'd like to thank the founders of FANCA, who had the vision to ensure or to put in place this particular tournament. Is now 25 years. Of course, it's a huge milestone to continue this tournament spread over, thousands of miles away from each other, and to have this tournament held every 2 years. Please put your hands together to the founders of FANCA and everybody else that's been involved in it. And also, of course, the existing committee that's put this all together. We've had some very good feedback of people saying it's been one of the best organized and, of course, the most attended. I'd like to thank all the spectators and the families and friends who have attended. I've met people today and the other day too, who I have not seen for about 20, 25 or 30 years even. So it's a great occasion to catch up with people, great occasion to, of course, go back to where your families came from, to make that connection. Fiji, of course, now has multiple citizenship. You can regain your Fijian passport should you wish to do so, but the doors in Fiji are open, and of course we open up our hearts and our doors and of course the borders for all of you. Please have a wonderful time. Spend all your American, Canadian, Australian and New Zealand dollars before you leave. And of course, we'd also like to wish the two teams that competed, New Zealand, for putting up a very gallant effort. Please put your hands together for them. And of course, the winning team, Fiji. Thank you.
Jazakallah, thank you very much, Jesse.